Hey guys, welcome back to the Music Fitness channel. In this video, we're going to do a spider crawl exercise using the finger pattern 4, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. If you just stumbled across this video, then you should know that it's a guided practice for people who are just learning guitar. So if you're just learning guitar, then go grab it and see if you can keep up. I usually don't do too much talking or explaining in these videos, so if you don't really know what's going on, you need some further explanation, go check out the demonstration video I did. I put the link in the description. If you've done all the other spider crawl exercises up until this point, you probably know what to watch out for, but if you haven't, make sure your thumb is pointing toward the ceiling, not the wall. If it's pointing toward the wall, it's going to give you these tight, stubby fingers. Make sure you're curling your fingers, should feel like you're doing a bear claw. Using the very tips of your fingers, not the fronts of your fingers. And then also make sure you're doing long, sustained, connected notes and not these short, choppy, buzzy notes. Those would be the things to watch out for as you're doing this. All right, we're gonna start at 60 beats per minute, doing 2 clicks per note. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's 70 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Just a couple more. Here's 110 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Last time doing 2 clicks per note. Here's 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, now we're going back to 60 beats per minute, but we're gonna do 1 click per note. 1, 2, ready, go. $70 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's 80 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Here's 90 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. We're getting close. Here's 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. $110 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, here's the last one. 120 beats per minute. 1, 2, ready, go. Nice work getting to the end of this video too. How's the control of your pinky feeling? I think this was the 3rd spider crawl video I've done where the pinky leads the string change. So hopefully you're feeling like you've got better control, like you've got better accuracy when you're using that finger and it's getting stronger. You're not getting buzzy notes anymore. If you feel like it's been helpful, let me know in the comments so I know I'm doing things correctly. If it hasn't done anything at all, let me know in the comments so I know I'm doing things not correctly. Or if you have any other questions or suggestions, throw them in there as well. But if not, then I'll see you in the next video. Keep it up. Bye.